Ever feel like managing money with your partner, housemate, or even a close friend is like navigating a financial obstacle course blindfolded? You're trying to juggle bills, track shared expenses, and figure out who paid for what without a clear, unified view. It can get messy, right? Well, what if I told you there's a way to bring clarity and ease to your shared finances? Imagine a digital space where you can both see incomings and outgoings, contribute seamlessly, and manage shared expenses with complete transparency. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? That's where joint accounts come in, and today, we're diving deep into how to set up a joint account with Monzo, the popular UK-based digital bank known for its user-friendly interface and innovative features. Whether you're splitting rent with a flatmate, saving for a dream vacation with your partner, or simply streamlining shared household costs, a Monzo joint account can be a game-changer. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty of the setup process, let's quickly touch upon why a joint account might be the right move for you. Beyond the obvious benefit of shared visibility, a joint account can foster better communication and trust when it comes to money. No more awkward "did you pay the electricity bill" conversations or frantic searching through individual bank statements. It simplifies budgeting, makes tracking shared goals easier, and can even help you build a stronger financial foundation together. Monzo, in particular, offers a fantastic platform for joint accounts. Its intuitive app, instant notifications, and budgeting tools make managing shared finances a breeze. Plus, with features like pots for specific savings goals and easy transfers between accounts, it's designed with collaboration in mind. So, are you ready to ditch the financial confusion and embrace a simpler way to manage shared money? Let's get started. Here's your step-by-step guide on how to set up a Monzo joint account. Step 1. Ensure you both have individual Monzo accounts. This is the crucial first step. Both individuals who will be part of the joint account need to have their own active Monzo current accounts. If one or both of you aren't Monzo users yet, don't worry. The process of setting up an individual account is quick and straightforward. You'll typically need to download the Monzo app from your device's app store, provide some personal information, and go through a verification process, which usually involves taking a photo of your ID and a selfie. Once both of you have your individual Monzo accounts up and running, you're ready to move on to the next stage. Step 2. Initiate the joint account setup from one person's app. The process of creating a joint account needs to be initiated by one of the individuals through their Monzo app. Here's how to do it. Open your Monzo app, tap on the Monzo app icon on your phone to open it and log into your individual account. Navigate to your account screen. Once you're logged in, you'll usually land on your main account screen, showing your balance and recent transactions. Find the Add Account option. Look for an option that allows you to add a new account. This might be represented by a plus icon, a button labeled Add Account, or something similar. It's often located near your profile picture or account list. Select Joint Account. Among the different account types you might see, like personal account, savings pots, etc., select the joint account option. Step 3. Invite the other person. Once you've selected joint account, the app will prompt you to invite the other person who will be sharing the account. You'll typically have a few ways to do this. Select from your contacts. Monzo might access your phone's contacts and allow you to select the person you want to invite if they are already a Monzo user. Enter their Monzo username or email address if their contact isn't readily available or if Monzo doesn't have access to your contacts. You'll likely be able to manually enter their Monzo username or the email address associated with their Monzo account. Share a unique link. In some cases, Monzo might generate a unique invitation link that you can share with the other person via messaging app, email, or any other method you prefer. Make sure you double-check the details of the person you're inviting to avoid any errors. Once you've sent the invitation, the other person will receive a notification within their Monzo app. Step 4. The invitee accepts the invitation. Now, it's the other person's turn. They need to open their Monzo app and look for the joint account invitation. This will usually appear as a notification on their home screen or within their account settings. Open the Monzo app. The invitee opens their Monzo app and logs in. Find the invitation, They need to locate the notification or message indicating that they've been invited to join a joint account. Review the details. Before accepting, they should carefully review the name of the person who sent the invitation to ensure it's correct. Accept the invitation. Once they're happy with the details, they tap on the accept or similar button to proceed. Step 5. Verify your identities, if required. In some cases, for security and compliance reasons, Monzo might require both individuals to go through a further identity verification process at this stage. This could involve confirming personal details. You might be asked to confirm information like your address, date of birth, etc. Submitting additional identification. In rare cases, you might be asked to provide a photo of your ID again or answer security questions. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and provide the requested information accurately. This step is essential to ensure the security of your joint account. Step 6. Agree on the account name. This is where you get to personalize your joint account. Monzo will likely ask you to choose a name for your joint account. This could be something practical like shared bills, something related to your goal like holiday fund, or even just your names combined. Choose something that makes sense for how you plan to use the account. Step 7. Review and confirm. Before the joint account is officially set up, Monzo will present you with a summary of the details, including the names of both account holders and the chosen account name. Take a moment to review everything carefully to ensure all the information is correct. Once you're satisfied, you'll need to confirm that you agree to the terms and conditions of the joint account. Step 8. Your joint account is ready. Congratulations! Once you've completed all the steps and agreed to the terms, your Monzo joint account is officially set up and ready to use. You'll now see the joint account listed alongside your individual Monzo account within the app. Exploring your new joint account. Now that your joint account is up and running, let's take a quick look at some of the things you can do. Transfer money in. Both account holders can easily transfer funds from their individual Monzo accounts or external bank accounts into the joint account. Make payments. You can use your Monzo joint account to make payments online, in-store using a physical card, which you can order through the app, or via direct debits for shared bills. Track spending. The Monzo app provides a clear overview of all transactions made through the joint account, making it easy to see where your shared money is going. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.